The 1969 Chevy Nova SS 396 is one of those cars that perfectly captures the muscle car spirit of the late 60s, combining compact size with big block power in a way that still turns heads today. When you first lay eyes on it, the Nova's styling is clean and understated compared to some of its flashier competitors of the era, but that's part of its charm. The car's boxy profile, sharp body lines, and relatively simple chrome trim give it a purposeful, almost sleeper-like appearance, but the details reveal its performance intentions. The blacked-out grille with the prominent SS emblem, the faux hood louvers, and the optional striping along the sides let you know it's more than just an economy commuter. Depending on the color combination, it can look either aggressive or refined, but always unmistakably late 60s Chevrolet. The stance is muscular but not overdone, and the 14-inch rally wheels wrapped in period-correct rubber fill the wheel wells nicely. In an era when some muscle cars were covered in scoops, wings, and stripes, the Nova SS 396 kept things simple and let the powertrain do most of the talking. Opening the door, the interior continues the theme of straightforward, driver-focused design. You won't find a lot of luxury here, but everything you need is right where it should be. The seats are simple vinyl buckets with enough bolstering to hold you in place without being overly tight. The dash layout is clean, with large, easy-to-read gauges directly in front of the driver and secondary controls spread across the metal-trimmed panel. Many cars came with just the basics: speedometer, fuel gauge, and warning lights, but buyers could opt for the extra gauge package to keep better tabs on the big block under the hood. The steering wheel is thin-rimmed by modern standards but offers a solid grip and good feedback. The floor shifter, especially in 4-speed models, is mechanical and satisfying, giving you a direct connection to the drivetrain. There's a certain honesty to the Nova's cabin: no fake wood grain, no excessive chrome, just a mix of vinyl, metal, and simplicity. It's the kind of interior that invites you to focus on driving rather than fiddling with features. Of course, the heart of the Nova SS 396 is in the name: the 396 cubic inch big block V8. This engine was available in a few different states of tune, with outputs ranging from 350 horsepower up to 375 horsepower in its most aggressive form. The torque is what really makes it special, delivering a tidal wave of pull from low RPMs that shoves you back in your seat and keeps you there until you ease off the throttle. Paired with either a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, the Nova SS 396 could sprint from 0 to 60 in the mid-6-second range, which was seriously quick for a compact car of the time. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with relatively light weight for a big block car, made it a strong performer not just in straight lines but also through corners.